Hi, my name is Jessica Ante. I'm a K to 5 STEM teacher in Marietta City Schools. This is my Artifact 9. Standard 5.1 ISTE Criterion 16, Accommodate Learner Differences. Standard 6.1 ISTE Criterion 19, Facilitate and Guide Learning as students take ownership of their learning goals. And Standard 7.1 ISTE Criterion 23, Provide alternate ways for students to show competency. In the personalized learning project, I provided multimodal content to allow opportunities for students to engage in differentiated materials in a variety of ways, including visual, reading, auditory, writing, and kinesthetic. The visual auditory components I included were videos for students to access at their own pace, simulations on Discovery Education Textbook, and videos and digital instruction using Nearpod. Reading and writing assignments were assigned through Schoology, and they used social media posts to collaborate with peers. As far as the kinesthetic aspects, students' rotations included hands-on activities, as well as games and songs that required movement. The standards that were covered in this lesson are Georgia Standards of Excellence in Science and Math. The science standard is about inherited and acquired traits, while the math standard focuses on calculating volume. Student content included vocabulary support, images, content from their textbook, and videos. Standard 6.1, Criterion 19, Facilitate and Guide Learning as students take ownership of their learning goals. To facilitate and guide learning, I created a personalized learning plan for each student. Students were surveyed to determine their interests, strengths, and preferences. Then the students and I together discussed and set up goals for the learning experience. The student profile included interest, important information, strengths, and learning preferences. The plan also included Georgia milestone assessment results. The students and I came up with one science goal together. The student and I revisited this goal weekly to check in on the progress and reflect on what, if anything, needed to improve. During this time, I corrected any misconceptions and provided encouragement to the students. Here is an example of one of my personalized learning plans. Standard 7.1, Criterion 23, Provide alternative ways for students to show competency. Students had voice and choice in this project. They chose which animals they were going to research and build, as well as how they wanted to present the animal. They could present in person using their box animal or in person using Google Slides. Sometimes students do not like their animal or how it turned out, and they don't want to show it in class. That gives them another way to show what they know. Here are some examples of the students' work.